What you doing, Luke? You playing with your cars? Oh, you playing with your cars? You got some cheese in your mouth? Oops, she dropped it. That's the 5-second rule. Yeah, you just gotta set it on the floor and it'll go. There you go. Let it loose. Is that a car? Say beep beep. Honk honk. What do cars do? Do they drive on the road? Is that what they do? You like to ride in the car, don't you, Luke? You got some cheese here. Come here, you got some cheese. You like that? Oh, I came over there, huh? Look at your car. Ready? Let's let it go. Whee! Ah! How'd it get way over there? Can you go get it, Luke? Go get it. Can you go get it? Go get the car. Go get the car. So we can play with it some more. Go get it. Beep beep. Beep beep. Zoom zoom. Can you go get the car?